Now the 11th question is, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 30 degrees. If the height of a tower is doubled, then the angle of elevation of its top will also be doubled. I am to find whether this is a true statement or a false statement. So I am going to make a figure here. Now this is the figure. Suppose AB is a tower. The height of this tower is h meter. And angle of elevation of this top with this point is 30 degrees. And let this distance CB is x meter. He says if the height of a tower is doubled, then the angle of elevation of its top will also be doubled. Now let this height is 2h meter. And suppose, and this distance is same, this is x meter. And suppose this angle is also doubled. Let this angle is 60 degrees. Now let this be the first case, let this be the second case. In case 1, perpendicular in triangle ABC, perpendicular upon base is equal to tan 30 degree. Perpendicular here is h, base here is x, and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. In case 2, in triangle DEF, perpendicular upon base is equal to tan 60 degree. It means perpendicular here is 2h upon base here is x is equal to root 3. It implies h by x is equal to root 3 by 2. In first case, we have h by x is equal to 1 by root 3. In the second case, we have h by x is equal to root 3 by 2. It means 1 by root 3 is equal to root 3 by 2, and which is not possible. 1 by root 3 is not equal to root 3 by 2. So our supposition is wrong. So what we have supposed in the beginning, that this angle is double, that is not possible. So DFE is not equal to 60 degree. It means if height of the tower is doubled, then the angle of elevation of its top will not be doubled. So false statement. Now the 12th question is, if the height of a tower and the distance of a point of observation from its foot both are increased by 10%, then the angle of elevation of the top remains unchanged. I'm going to draw its figure. Now suppose this is a figure and AB is a tower. Let the height of this tower is h meter and the distance of the point of observation from its foot is x meter. So angle of elevation of this point A with this observation is theta. So let this angle is theta. Height of AB is, so let height of tower AB is h meter. And distance CB is equal to x meter. Now the question says, if the height of a tower and the distance of a point of observation from its foot both are increased by 10%. So let me increase the height of the tower AB by 10%. Now the new height of tower, this is equal to h plus h into 10 by 100. If the height of the tower is increased by 10%, so this will be equal to h plus h by 10, that is equal to 11 by 10h. The distance of the point of observation from its foot is also increased by 10%. So new distance is equal to x plus x into 10 by 100. So that is equal to x plus x by 10. That is equal to 11 by 10x. So I'm going to make a figure here again. Let the new height of the tower is 11 by 10h. And the distance between EF is 11 by 10x. Now let the angle of reflection of this point D with this point F is alpha. Let this be the first case, this be the second case. Now in the first case, perpendicular upon base is equal to tan theta. Perpendicular here is h by x is equal to tan theta. In the second case, perpendicular upon base is equal to tan alpha. Perpendicular here is 11 by 10 h upon 11 by 10 x is equal to tan alpha. Now this and this is cancelled. So I have h by x is equal to tan alpha. Now here h by x is equal to tan theta. Here h by x is equal to tan alpha. It implies tan theta is equal to tan alpha. It implies theta is equal to alpha. It means since theta is equal to alpha, so angle of reflection of the top remains unchanged. So this is a true statement. So this is a true statement.